In this particular video I'm going to share with you that what is copywriting, and in this particular video I'm going to share with you the three things which is very important as a copywriter to know in order to be best at copywriting. So first of all, copywriting means selling through words. If you are a copywriter, your job is to sell any product and services by using written word. Just like a salesman would do by working in a field job, he has to sell the products in the field so that he is a salesman for that particular company. So that's the same thing, all the copywriters is also doing their job. So if you want to be a copywriter, you have to learn how to sell through words. So basically three types of a work copywriter do usually. So first, they have to sell the products online. They can use the landing pages. There are the businesses, there are the clients who are gonna pay them to write the landing pages for them. They can pay them to write the emails for them. They can pay them to write the sales copy for them. They can pay them to write the website copy for them. So that's how the copywriters learn. Copywriter is basically who turning the words, and he's solving the problem of a customer by using his word so that customer can buy that particular product. So that's how the first thing which the copywriter has to do is to sell any products by using his written word through online. Second critical job of a copywriter is that he has to solve the problem of a customer by indicating to their pain point. Let's take an example. If somebody is studying at 12th standard and he has a problem that he is not remembering the thing, so in their market there are some apps which actually giving that all the education in the form of a video. When a student will see, he able to remember more. So in that time what will happen, the student problem is going to solve by an entrepreneur, a businessman. Now the copywriter's job is to articulate that particular problem by using the written word so that student can get that particular benefit. So now what copywriter is going to do, he's going to write the landing pages, he's going to write the emails to all those 12 students so that they can get the value of it, so that they can able to use that particular video, that app, so that they can able to get more and more marks in the exam. That's how it is. That's how simple it is. So copywriter's job is to make sure that they are solving the problem of a customer by indicating their pain points. That is the second critical job of a copywriter. Third critical job of a copywriter, they have to produce result. Copywriters, sometimes what happen when a new copywriter is there who's actually learning about the copywriting, who don't have any experience about the copywriting, so he straight away talk to all the clients and tell them that I'm gonna write the landing pages for you, I'm gonna write the emails for you, I'm gonna sell your products. So in that time, if you're not able to generate the result, if you're not able to sell that particular product, maybe depending upon the agreement, if an entrepreneur, if a businessman and a copywriter has an agreement of selling 100 product, if copywriter is not able to sell that 100 product, if he only sells 10 product through his sales copy and maybe through his email copy, then that copywriter is not able to generate the result. So in this case, that businessman, they have a very less chance to get the work from that copywriter again, because he's not able to produce the result. That's why all the beginner copywriters struggle always to find the work. So in order to get the work, they have to have a strong portfolio. They have to work hours and hours for year and a half and 2 to 3 years to make sure their skill should be on a level where they can able to sell that product for a businessman. So that's how it is. The third critical job of a copywriter is to produce result, to show the result to the businessman in order to be in market. If you're not able to show the result, then he's gonna die, his business is gonna die, his copywriting agency is gonna die. So what is copywriting? Copywriting is selling the words through written words. We can also say copywriting is salesman in print. If you want to be a great copywriter like me, if you want to be a biggest copywriter of all time, then you have to do small thing every single day, and when you do the small thing, then you have the bright future. So just let me know in the comment, in this particular three critical thing, what are the most critical thing for a copywriter. I just wanted to see that, and I just wanted to help you out. Just let me know in the comment, and just like this video if you get the true value for it, and just try to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.